Hi, I'm Dr. Gajanand. I'm a faculty member in the Operations Management and Decision Sciences area at IIM Tiruchirappalli. I specifically teach courses on operations research, operations management, decision analytics, and applications of prescriptive analytics techniques for the MBA programs offered at both our Tiruchirappalli campus and at the Chennai campus. The students who go through these courses will be able to improve their logical reasoning, critical thinking, and analytical reasoning skills. I take them through an experiential learning approach where we discuss and collaborate and try to solve a case study or a problem together in class with a hands-on approach, wherein we use tools like Excel and other advanced analytical tools to analyze the problem and scenarios. So this will help the students to improve their learning, and it will also help them to directly apply these techniques on their job. In terms of research, I work on distribution planning, green logistics, sustainable transportation, and electric vehicles. IIM Tiruchirappalli fosters a collaborative learning environment where we discuss, debate, and help each other grow. On behalf of the Institute, I welcome prospective stakeholders, including organizations and companies from across the world, to potentially look at collaborating with us in terms of placements or consulting or in terms of management development programs so that we can help each other to improve further. Thank you very much. Looking forward to meet you in the future.